In this video, I'll detail how to restore deleted photos from iPhone. So here I'm going to show you two different ways you can use to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. So if you mistakenly delete any photos on your iPhone and you want to restore it as a matter of urgency, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you're not on this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to recover deleted photos on your iPhone, the first approach is just go ahead and open the Photos app. Now, once you open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down. Either you're using iOS 17 or earlier, or iOS 18. Just scroll down until you get to Utilities. Click on Utilities. Then under Utilities, locate Recently Deleted. Recently Deleted. Click on this. Then you should see Use Face ID to view this album. That is if you're using a Face ID iPhone. And if you're using a Touch ID iPhone, you'll be prompted to use your Touch ID to view the album. Click on View. Then confirm your Face ID. Once confirmed, you should see all your recently deleted photos on your iPhone on this page. However, to restore any of these photos, all you just need to do is click on Select, then select the photo you want to restore like this. Then click on this three dots at the bottom right. Then click on Recover. Then you should see that says Recover X number of photos. Recover this. Then if you go back to your iPhone Photos Gallery, then you should see the recovered photos. So that's one of the ways to recover recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Another way you can use to recover your recently deleted photos on your iPhone is via the iCloud. So if you turn on Save Videos and Photos to iCloud on your iPhone, then you can easily recover or restore your recently deleted photos. Now to do this, first you need to go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, click on your Apple account. Then here you need to click on iCloud. Now once you selected iCloud, make sure you click on iCloud Backup and ensure backup this phone, backup over mobile data is enabled. So with this is going to back up your photos and it's going to back up your videos. Otherwise, you'll not be able to restore the recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Now, once that is turned on by default before you deleted the photos, then you need to open a browser and go to iCloud.com. So this could be Safari and it could be Chrome, just your favorite browser. Then click on Sign In. You want to sign into the iCloud account to view all your photos, then sign in with the current Apple ID you have on your iPhone. So if that is exactly where you have your photos backed up to on your iCloud, then you just need to hang on for the iCloud to sign into your Apple ID like this. Now click on this menu here, and here you should see Photos. Click on Photos. Then once you selected Photos, this is going to open all your backed up photos on your iCloud. Then you can see I have about 212 photos backed up. Now select the photo you want to restore back to your iPhone. So in this case, let's say I want to restore this photo back to my iPhone. Yes, it is. Then just click on that. Click on the three dots at the top right. Then tap Download. So once you click on Download, this is going to download the photo. Download. Then once downloaded, click on Open In, then scroll down, click on Save to Files. Then you can just give this a name or let it be. So click on Save. Now, once saved, you can now go back to the File app on your iPhone. So open the Files app, and if you couldn't find the Files app, just search for it. So search for Files app. Then on your iPhone, you should see the photo you downloaded or recovered from your iCloud account. So that's exactly how to recover deleted photos from iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.